Drilling is tough work. It takes tough workers and even tougher equipment. It takes grit, know-how, and the determination to work a well for all it's worth. That's why you need powerful, hard-working equipment that can handle the punishment, stand up to the forces of nature, and keep on working day after day, night after night. That's why you need MTU. We build engines and systems for drilling and servicing oil and gas wells onshore, as well as power generation systems for use onshore or offshore. And we provide power for firewater pumps for offshore drilling platforms. You won't find a better product or partner than MTU to meet your needs. And these numbers prove it. How about expert support in 164 countries around the globe, so you'll always find an MTU service location nearby? That's part of the reason customers have racked up more than 180 million operating hours for the Series 4000, an engine that provides full frac performance all the way up to 13,000 feet above sea level. Our worldwide network of service locations provides 360-degree life cycle solutions to optimize the lifetime value of your equipment. And our products are backed by more than 70 years of engineering leadership, as demonstrated by the groundbreaking Series 2000 and 4000 engines introduced 20 years ago. Our Series 4000 engine gives you a whopping 42,000 hours of operation between overhauls, and at 3.8 kilograms per kilowatt, MTU has the highest power-to-weight ratio in its class, while meeting NFPA 20 standards to ensure bumpless controller transfer in an emergency. Now that's performance you can rely on to be right on target. Want to talk percentages? How about an impressive 1.5 seconds to achieve 90% peak torque in our Series 1300 engines? And our bi-fuel system upgrade delivers up to a 70% gas for diesel replacement rate during your frac job, and zero after-treatment needed for our Tier 4 final engines. Drilling is tough work, so if you've got a tough job to do, don't trust it to just any engine. Trust it to the engines built by a proven partner that's committed to the oil and gas industry. Trust your job to MTU, because the numbers back us up.